So we talked about how to connect entrapment devices and how to make the system recognize them. What if something happens to one of these monitored entrapment devices that it's no longer operational? In this situation, we've got a set of blue bus photo eyes and a 10K resistive edge on the system. And let's say this edge got damaged and is no longer functional. So I'm going to take the edge out of the system. Now, if I go to try to open the gate, it's not going to open. It's going to give me an error on my edge input because it knows that that edge is supposed to be there and it's not seeing that 10K resistive input. So how do I clear that and get the system back operational? Of course, it'd be better to replace the edge or repair the edge, but if we can't do that, we need the system operational, we do it the same way that we added the edge. We do the same thing to take the edge out. So we just press and hold our stop clear button for 5 seconds till the lights on the sensor and blue bus come on solid, release. It's going to relearn those inputs, and now it's going to realize that, okay, the edge is no longer there. I'm not going to look for it anymore. We're back up and running. Same thing, we could remove the blue bus devices, press and hold the stop clear for 5 seconds, and it would not look for those anymore as well. So that's how easy it is to take a monitored entrapment device out of the system as well.